Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the virtual exhibition. Even during the pandemic, it is imperative that countries continue to work towards reduction in carbon emissions, diversification of economies, and improvement of standard of living of citizens. The Energy Efficiency Policy and Regulation session will be facilitated by Mr. Rami Osman, Energy Efficiency Specialist, Sustainable Energy Authority, Kingdom of Bahrain. Let us now welcome the moderator of the session, Mr. Rami Osman.
Thank you very much, Susanna. I appreciate the introduction. Good afternoon to those of you attending from Bahrain and wherever else it might be afternoon. Good morning and good evening to those of you from around the world. I've got the distinct privilege to be able to introduce three gentlemen who should be coming up on screen any moment now, that I've had the pleasure of working with over the past few years in several areas revolving around energy efficiency. As Susanna introduced already, this session is under the theme of driving energy efficiency from fringe to core. I'll just quickly go over some housekeeping as the previous moderators have done. The sessions will be kept to 20 minutes from each of the speakers for their presentations, and then we'll have a joint Q&A after that. For any questions from the audience, please do pop those down in the chat function and we will relay those to the panelists. Now, in regard to the title of this particular session, Energy Efficiency Policy and Regulation, it can be approached from multiple angles. What we're going to do today is we're going to have a look at government policy and regulations, and that's where Professor Patrick Scheel will take us through the Green Building Code and rating scheme here in Bahrain. We'll also have a look at opportunities to improve energy efficiency, increased awareness around energy efficiency, and technologies which can be implemented to improve those both in the public and private sector. And then we're also going to have a listen to a real world example of energy efficiency improvements which have been achieved here in the Kingdom of Bahrain.